What if I told you there's a brand new way to make money online and almost nobody knows about it yet? Sounds pretty good, right? Now imagine being one of the first to take advantage of a tool created by Google itself, a tool that's amazing, and also the competition is practically non-existent right now. Guys, this is your chance to get ahead of the curve, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. No fluff, no filler, just step-by-step guidance on how you can start earning money online using this incredible new tool. The best part? You don't need to be a tech expert. You won't have to create a website, build complicated software, or even spend a ton of time figuring this out. With the method I'm about to show you, you'll be up and running quickly. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end of this video because this is a game changer. Alright, enough hype. Let's jump right into it. Number 1, why this is the perfect time to start. So, let's talk about why this moment right here, right now, is the perfect time to jump into this. First off, the world of AI is moving ridiculously fast. I mean, just think about how far we've come in the last couple of years. Tools like ChatGPT, Midjourney, and now Notebook LM are revolutionizing how we work, create, and make money online. But here's the thing. With so much innovation, most people are overwhelmed. They don't know where to start, so they end up doing nothing. That's where you come in. By learning how to use tools like Notebook LM right now, you're getting a head start on something that could become mainstream in a few months, or even weeks. Early adopters always win. Think about the people who started YouTube channels back in 2010 or jumped on Instagram before it blew up. They had the first mover advantage, and many of them turned that into massive success. This is your chance to do the same with Notebook LM. And let me just say this, if you've been struggling to make money online, this might be the easiest opportunity you'll ever come across. No technical skills? No problem. No money to invest? That's fine too. This method is beginner-friendly, fast, and free to get started. Number 2, what is Notebook LM? Alright, let's break it down. What exactly is Notebook LM? Notebook LM is a new tool developed by Google. It's designed to help you organize and process information in a smarter way. Think of it like a personal research assistant that's powered by AI. You give it some input, like a topic or a document, and it helps you analyze, summarize, and even create new content based on that information. Here's why this is so exciting. It's not just another AI chatbot. Notebook LM is specifically built for deep dives into topics, making it perfect for creating high-value content. It's user-friendly. You don't need to be a tech genius to use it. If you can copy and paste text, you're good to go. It's new brand. This means it's not widely known yet, giving you a golden opportunity to get ahead of the competition. And when you combine Notebook LM with other tools like ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. You can create content faster, better, and more efficiently than ever before. Number 3. How does it work? Now let's get into the good stuff. How to actually use Notebook LM to make money online. Access Notebook LM. The first thing you need to do is head over to Google and search for Notebook LM. You might need to sign up for access if you don't already have it. Once you're in, create a new notebook. This is where you'll input your content. Use ChatGPT to generate content. Next, we're going to use ChatGPT to create some content. Let's say you want to make a podcast about how to make money by selling digital products. All you need to do is ask ChatGPT to write a script for you. For example, you could type, "Write me a podcast script about making money by selling digital products." Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate a detailed script with an introduction, key points, and even a conclusion. If you're not happy with the first draft, no problem. Just tweak your request or refine the script manually. Paste the script into Notebook LM. Once you've got your script, copy it and paste it into Notebook LM. This is where the magic happens. Notebook LM can take your script and turn it into a fully structured conversation. Yeah, that's right, a podcast. It's like having 2 podcast hosts talking back and forth, creating a natural, engaging dialogue. Review and edit. Before moving on, take a few minutes to review the output. While the AI is incredibly smart, it's always a good idea to add your personal touch. Make sure the content flows well and aligns with your style. Number 4, turning content into cash. Now that you've created your content, it's time to turn it into money. There are a few different ways to do this, so let's break them down. First step, create YouTube videos. One of the easiest ways to monetize your content is by turning it into YouTube videos. Here's how. Go to canva.com and create a simple video. To make a video, you need to upload the audio. Add the audio to the Canva timeline, and then add an image along the audio. You don't need any fancy visuals. Just add an image related to your topic and add your audio file. You can use some editing software like CapCut or Adobe Premiere Pro. Add video and an image to create a video. Once done, export the video and upload it to YouTube. Remember to optimize your video with keywords, a strong title, and an engaging thumbnail. Once your channel grows, you can start earning through YouTube ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Second step, launch a podcast. If you prefer audio-only content, consider launching a podcast. Platforms like Buzzsprout, Anchor, and Podbean make it super easy to get started. You can upload your AI-generated audio files, distribute them to major podcast directories like Spotify and Apple Podcasts, and start building an audience. Third step, sell your content. Another option is to sell your content directly. For example, you could package your scripts into ebooks or sell them as templates for other creators. Platforms like Gumroad and Etsy are great for this. Number 5, scaling up. Once you've got the basics down, it's time to scale up. Here's how. Focus on a niche. Choose a specific niche, like personal finance, fitness, or self-improvement. By targeting a niche audience, you'll build a loyal following faster. Batch create content. With tools like Notebook LM and ChatGPT, you can create dozens of scripts in just a few hours. Batch creates your content so you're always ahead of schedule. Repurpose your content. Don't limit yourself to one platform. For example, a podcast episode can also be turned into a YouTube video, a blog post, or even an Instagram reel. Number 6, why does this work? Here's why this method is so effective. It's scalable, you can create and upload content faster than ever before. It's passive income. Once your content is out there, it can keep earning money for months or even years. It's in demand. People are constantly searching for informative, engaging content online. The key is to provide value. Whether you're talking about any topic, focus on helping your audience solve a problem or learn something new. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. I hope this tutorial gave you the tools and inspiration you need to start making money online with Google's new Notebook LM. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. And if you try this out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.